Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 124. We are on grammar reference and we are on Unit 7. So the first part of it is will and going to. And you may refer to pupils book page 85. So number 1, use will or won't to make predictions about the future. So the keyword here is predictions. And the second one, use going to talk about future plans and intentions. So the keyword here is intentions. And number 2, make a prediction based on something we can see or hear right now. So this is again another prediction. So this is based on what you can see or hear right now. So this is a graphic here. So it's the same as page 85 on pupils book. So one day my son will be famous. So this is, it make a prediction here. And second one, he's going to. So basically this is he is going to play for the king next week. So going to. So this is about this prediction based on something that you can see. And then again this one, look, she's going to fall. So this is again the second one. And next we go to the second part here. So this is simple present tense or present simple for future events. So you may refer to page 86 of pupils book, and you use a simple present or simple present simple or simple present tense to talk about future events that are scheduled or have a timetable. So let's take a look at this box here. So what time does the bus leave tomorrow? It leaves at 10 o'clock. So we add s here. So this is simple present tense. The concert starts at 3 p.m. So notice here this is singular. So you add s here. So as well as this it. So we add s here. So let's take a look at activity 1 here. So we have total about 8 questions. So activity 1, complete the sentences with the correct form of the verbs. Number 1, in the future, people will make more digital music. So this is based on prediction about the future. So we use will and then make. And then number 2, there not be any instruments. Computers will make music. So this is also about prediction about the future. So this is a negative form. So this is a verb. So you need to use won't. Won't. And then won't be. And next, we take a look at number 3. I learn to play a musical instrument next year. So this is about intention. So I am or apostrophe am. So I just write in full. I am. You need to use going to. I'm going to learn. So this is a verb. Learn to play a musical instrument next year. And number 4, look, you drop your ice cream. So this is about make a prediction based on something you can see right now. So look, you, and you add are, and then going to. You are going to dropped. So we have this verb here, dropped. So this is not past participle. You need to use the original verb here. And then number 5, our concert rehearsal at 4 p.m. So this is just simple present tense, so you just add s here. Rehearsal, so this is considered as singular. And starts at 4 p.m. Number 6, my guitar is broken, but my parents me a new one. So this is based on something you can see right now. So this is my guitar is broken. So but my parents, so parents s, and then we need to use are not, so this is negative form, going to buy, are not going to buy me a new one. And then number 7, I'm a good singer, but I probably, so this is famous, so this is about making prediction about the future. So this is I probably won't be, so same as question number 2, won't be famous. And then the last question, we have this, the theater doors at 7 o'clock. So this is just simple present tense, so open. So we didn't change anything here. So because this is doors, considered as plural, so we didn't add s here. So just a base or the original verb here. So this is about the grammar, something about future. So that's it for today. So we are on this year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 124. So that's it for today. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can consume the relevant contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link, you can click it. You can join my Telegram bot for free.